Hey birdie, so guys, and today welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm here to do another reaction video to the group RBD, and this is from Confesiones and Conciertos. This is solo party. So let's go. Solo para ti, JAMAICAN, piano.
Puedo irme a vivir, puedo ser feliz a tu lado. Quiero sonreír, quiero estar ahí soñando, descalzo. Y quiero sentir, hoy te quiero a ti besando. Usar tu cuerpo intacto despacio. Y hasta el fin llegar al sitio más claro y exacto.
Come on, Alfonso. I can see your veins, sir. I can see your veins.
Casi completamente, así como yo soy, así para comerte, así tanto activo, así completamente.
Singing plenamente.
Oigo a tu voz hablando.
Ooh, we kind of messed up a little bit vocally right there.
Soy una razón, soy una ilusión andando despacio, solo para ti, vivo para ti, gritando, te amo. Usar tu cuerpo intacto despacio, y así hasta el fin.
Come on, Chris.
Completamente, así como yo soy, así para tu mente, así tal cual así completamente, así me enfrento yo, así por ti mi amor, así completamente, así como yo soy, así para tu mente, así tal cual así completamente, así me enfrento yo.
Come on, live band. You guys know I like the live band. Come on, mate. Ooh. Oh, that was solo party by RBD Confesiones. I really do hope they could come up with some new songs, new album, new projects, because I'm curious to see what they're going to be doing after such long hiatus. They always give us a nice performance from their old song, or they probably just want to concert again to have a reunion with their old songs. But that could work too. But I would love to hear some new music as well and how they're gonna sound after so long. But like I said, I'll be watching Chris on Instagram, and he's working out in a gym and in the studio. So I need to look good as well before I go to their concert. Oops, sorry. But as always, for everybody else, what do you guys want me to react to? Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.